ride through the park, enjoy a little bit of autumn and what's left of it. Right, well that's me at work, just about. Better get changed, time for coffee, maybe a second breakfast, maybe not today. And yeah, I'll either see you at lunchtime or I'll see you after work. Well, that's another day done. Didn't have time for a lunchtime walk today. But yeah, time to get back on my bike and start the ride home. So tell you what, it feels a faff, but it's a good way to start and end the day. And I definitely prefer cycling rather than walking, driving everywhere. So yeah, let's go. A little bit of a hiker bike, one-handed hiker bike, end of the day. Making that look hard work. Back through the park. So I find the main thing with cycling to work, it's just getting organised, like having all my stuff ready before, because if you wake up in the morning you've got stuff to sort out, it's just easy to just go nah. But yeah, once you're out, it's awesome. And also, I know it's not for everyone, but I enjoy riding at night too. And I'm now out the rat race on the home straight, and I can just now enjoy just me and the road. I love night riding. Nothing more to say, just that. Last climb of the ride completed. Right, let's roll home now. The best bit. So that's me home. All in all, not a bad day. And just some tips for commuting. So my number one tip is make sure you plan everything the night before. Have your bag ready, have it packed, have your kit ready that you're going to take, have your tyres pumped, your bike prepped, everything. Just because I know it's kind of easy to just talk yourself out of it and then think, oh, I'll just drive today, and then yeah, you just never get around to it. So that is one of them. The next is make sure you've got good lights, essential when cycling in traffic, and especially if you're like me and you ride in the dark and you're commuting home. Wearing bright colours, another one that's important. Make yourself be seen, don't take any risks, all of that stuff, the sensible things. What else? Take the long way home, enjoy the ride, make the most of it, take the scenic route. And yeah, I just think that riding at night, it just feels like such a like a missed time. Lots of people don't see the opportunity of like riding at night time, and yeah, I just think you get out and it's nice. And there's a full moon tomorrow, so I might go for a little walk in the evening. Oh, little cat, hello. Hello. You have to befriend the neighbourhood cats, it's just the rule. Hello. Come on. A little bit shy. Right, let's get myself home, over to my boyfriend's house and see what he's cooking me for dinner. Lucky me. Thanks a lot, guys, and see you next time. The only way is up, baby. You know what, I might have a glass of wine tonight as well. Treat yourself.